Okay, the video is to review how to factorize polynomials, right? What is factorize polynomials? Basically, I can use factoring to rewrite a polynomial as a product of polynomials of a lesser degree. So I have a polynomial like this that equal to this times this, okay? Because this degree 2, degree 1, and 1. So I rewrite my polynomial as a product of the other polynomial with less degree. This is degree 2, 1, 1, okay? Factorize. So how can we do this? How can we do that? Okay, you don't have to be Captain American. You can use your brain, right? Um, x squared plus 5x plus 4. So for this one, 1 and AB, so you have to find two integer, a times b equals 4, the constant, and a plus b equal -5, right? All right. So the answer, a times b is 4, so should be 4 times 1, or -4 times -1. Okay. Of course, that can be 2 or -2 times -2, but since the sum is -5, so I will choose this one. Okay, so my a is -4, b is -1, and then I can rewrite this polynomial because a is -4, b is -1, so this a minus 4, x minus 4 times x minus 1. All right, let's see another complicated example. More complicated. So this, give me a second. All right. Here we go. How about this? Okay, so I have to find 4 integers. I will write a, b, c, and d. Okay. So first, a times b equal 8. And then c times d, remember the negative. And then AD plus BC equals -4. All right. What options we have? For AB, we can say 1, 8, right? 4, 2, right? And CD, that's 1, 12, 2, 6, 4, 3. So you have to find the combination, and be careful, that's negative, right? So I will use 4, 2 first, all right? And then I will 3, 4, maybe negative here, okay? So let's try this last one. So AD will be 4 times -4. And then BC is plus 2 times 3. That is -16 plus 6 is -10. It's not the result I want. I want to make it -4. All right. So I need to try another combination. So I will switch this, maybe negative sign here, or no, or maybe 4, 3, and then negative, because it's negative, so I put negative. Oh, should be here, right? Okay, so let me try again. AD, that will be 4 times -3 plus BC, that will be 2 times 4. That will be -12 plus 8. It's -4. Oh, yes, it's the result I want. Okay. Because I got experience, so I can try just 2 steps. I can find it out. For you, maybe you need to try more times, but you have to practice. to reduce the time solving the equation like this. But first of all, this is not a quadratic, so you have to factor out x first. So that will be equal, factor out x, you divide by x each term. So that will be 8x squared, right? And minus 4x and minus 12. And then factorize is 4, 2, 4, negative 3, okay? And then this one is a pair. And then the other pair is this one. So you will get x times 4x plus 4, and then 2x minus 3. Then I rewrite this polynomial into the product of three different polynomials. This we call factorization. Right, the answer, yes, you're right. Let me check. 4x. Oh, yeah, okay. So I can keep factor out 4 here. This one. So I factor out 4, become 4 times x. And 4x divided by 4, that's x. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 2x minus 3. All right. Okay, so you have to practice this. Let's give you another example. So here is the special factoring pattern, like formula for you. So yeah. Next. Give you this example. Yes. Right? So this example, you can first 8x cubed, you rewrite as 2x cubed plus 125, that's 5 cubed. Okay, so you still apply to this. Your A is 2x, B is 5. So that'll be 2x plus 5, and then 2x squared minus 2x times 5, and then plus 5 squared. Let me check on your home. Oh, another skill you have to learn is by grouping. So this one. Okay, the first two terms, the ratio is 1 to -1. The third and fourth term is 1 to -1 as well. Okay. So we will group this to form a group, this to turn form a group. And for the first pair, we factor out x cubed. So divide by x cubed become x and minus 1. And here we just factor out 8. So minus 8 x. Okay, if you put a parenthesis here, this one need to be negative because it's like you factored out -8. And then divide by 8, become 1. And then we can combine these two terms because they both have a vector called x minus 1. Just like you can combine 3x plus 4x because you both have a factor called x. So you can combine to 7x. I'm recording video. Give me a second. Wait.
Did you make it a video?
Yes.
Oh.
Wait. Okay. Yeah, give me a. So that would be what x minus 1. Can I pause? Anyway,